What's up, guys? It is Christmas morning.
If you guys didn't already know, we moved to Asheville, North Carolina a few months ago, and we got our very first snowfall since we moved. It's a Christmas miracle.
Koa has just loved the snow. I've taken him out like 6 times a day, and he just runs around and plays in it, and he dunks his head under the snow. It's super cute. He loves it. For Koa's first Christmas, we went to the local pet shop, and we got him a few presents, and we wrapped him up, and we're gonna try and get him to open them up this morning. So let's see what he does.
Koa, Rola. Oh, what is this? Sit. Shake. Lay down. Good boy. Here you go. It's yours. Okay, ready? Go get it. Bring it down. Bring it down, baby.
What is he doing?
He's gonna do it. There you go.
Oh.
What is that?
Oh.
What's it?
Oh, there you go, boy. So we gave him his first present, and he basically just wanted to eat the wrapping paper. But he seems to like his chicken and waffle chew toy. But I think he may like his next 2 presents a little bit more. Sit, shake, down. Good boy. What's this one? There you go. You're getting it. Oh. What do you have? God, there's so much in there. He's so uninterested in the actual present. He literally just wants the paper. We got him, hey, drop it. We got him Haagen-Dazs ice cream. It's bacon flavored ice cream for dogs. We'll give him some maybe later today or tomorrow.
This is Koa's last present. It's a cookie, so hopefully he doesn't make a mess of it. Sit. Shake. Lay down. There you go. Last present. What is that, Koa?
Oh,
there you go. Oh, shit. Let go. We don't want him to eat the whole thing right now, but we got him a little mitten for Christmas. It's a dog cookie, so it has all the ingredients are healthy for dogs, so we're just gonna give him a little chunk.
I'm gonna give his dog cookie treat a little taste. It smells really good. It smells like cinnamon or snickerdoodle or something. Oh. Very crunchy. The frosting is really good. It just tastes like a super hard cookie. Tastes pretty good.
Is it really sweet? Like, is there a lot of sugar in it?
Not really. My gosh, what do we have here?
We made bacon cheese potato soup. It looks a little yellow because we put sharp cheddar in it, but it'll still be good. It tastes good. And then we made bacon green beans and some candy sweet potatoes with marshmallows and some rolls. And then I am making berry cream cheese puff pastries later. So yeah, this is our little Christmas dinner.
Yes, we're gonna eat Christmas dinner, we're gonna watch a movie, then we're gonna probably play with Koa, maybe take him on another walk or something, but it's been a nice, relaxing Christmas so far.
Let the ice cream sit overnight because you're supposed to let it sit for at least 5 hours. I'm only giving him this much because he already had a puppuccino today and we don't want to give him the squirts, the Hershey squirts. Bon appetit, bon apple teeth.
Bon apple teeth, Koa.
Stay. Stay.
Y'all done, Koa Boa? Was that good ice cream? All right, Koa just finished up his bacon doggo ice cream. I think he liked it. Thank you guys for watching. We hope you all had a Merry Christmas.
Like, comment, and subscribe as usual.
Say bye.